Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft driver rating system. So in order to use Lyft driver rating system, you just have to follow the steps. Now, Lyft driver rating system is a two-way system that allows driver and a passenger to rate each other on a scale of 1 to 5 star after each ride. Now, you could rate a driver on a rate and pay screen after each ride. You have at least 2 hours to rate your driver, and if you don't, they'll automatically receive a 5-star rating. You won't be paired with a driver again if you rate them 3-star or low. Now, to do this, you could go to ride history. So tap on the try bar icon and go to ride history. When you go to ride history, tap on get help, tap on submit a feedback on a driver, select the reason for providing a feedback. And this way you'll be able to use Lyft driver rating system. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.